Alrighty, check it out. We got the YZ back. Look at how clean it looks, other than the fact that it's dirty. I took it riding yesterday to test it out, but look at how clean it looks. It looks amazing. She runs amazing. The only thing I'm not happy with is the handlebars that they put on. I let some people borrow my bike, and apparently my bars were bent, which I kind of figured they were because it always felt like my left side was closer than my right side. But they ended up replacing the bars for me, but I despise these bars. I shouldn't say despise. I just really don't like. They're way too low. I'm way too tall for how low they are. I know when you're enduro riding, you want low bars, but I am 6'5". Low bars don't work for me. Anyways, I'll tell you about today's video while I'm fueling up. Today, we are at Soldier Pass. It's a pretty well-known public recreation area. I've been here a couple of times before and made some videos of me being here. I wanted to go somewhere a little bit different and new for you guys, but just due to plans I had today, this was the most convenient place for me to end up stopping. Well, I know it's going to be pretty cool. We'll have some cool single track. I don't really plan on pushing it too hard since I'm not really comfortable with these bars, but we'll see how comfortable I can get with them, because the hope is that I might end up liking them just because it would save me some money, but at the same time, oh, they're just low. Alright, so since I've been here a couple of times before, I'm trying a little bit of a different route or entrance into the mountain area. Hopefully that should make it so I find a lot more new trails and stuff. And I'll say this, maybe I am starting to feel the bars a little bit more. I'm starting to get the responsiveness. Maybe I just need to give them more of a shot. I don't know. Because over the loose rocks is just where it feels horrible. And the issue is out here is mostly just loose rocks. I'm starting to get a little more comfortable. I'm still getting bad arm pumps though. Oh, well, this went nowhere. Lost all my momentum right before the uphill. Nice. Great decision making. I got kicked out a little bit sideways there. Neutral. The new jetting has the bike running so minty though. The power is like right where I need it to be, although I still think I need a flywheel weight. I want a little more ugga-lugga. Alright, I'm gonna try and see if I can go down that way and ride the single track that goes around the mountain. Oh, well, this does not go down. Okay. I thought this went down. I'll say this, out of all my dirt bikes, this has always been the bike I've been the most comfortable on. It's one of the reasons why the new handlebars shocked me so much and really made me question everything, is just because I'm so used to having this exactly how I wanted it. I have no idea where I'm going, but I'm having fun. This is so cool. It's like very flowy, but at the same time very technical. All I know is I'm really enjoying this. Oh, that kicked my butt hard. I think my biggest issue is more so my stamina. I don't have any. Holy crap. I know I can make it down if it has a decent way down, but I just can't see anything. I might have to turn around and hit this going up though. Alright, if I come out, I should be good. I wish I could show you guys just how big of a drop that actually is. Like, it's as tall as my bike. Oh god. Oh my god, that was dumb. I don't even know what my plan was there. I bet my laugh sounds so fake. But when I'm tired, I just laugh like a disturbed hyena, I guess. God, it's so warm when you stop. Woo! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh my god, I am so happy I was able to do that. Oh, I had so much self-doubt coming into the face of that. That felt so good. That is so big. That really is so big. I was not expecting this trail to get that serious. Most of the rest of the stuff I've ever done around here is never that big. I know I shouldn't be lugging as much as I am, but the issue is that's just where the power feels the most comfortable right now. It gives me such good grip. Oh god. Oh, what a good bail. What a good bail. As soon as I was coming to that corner, I knew it was going too fast because I couldn't touch the rear brake. My foot was just in a bad position. Holy shit. These braking bumps are serious. The braking bumps is what takes it out of you the most. Oh, I so mistimed that. Where am I? Like, I know what area I'm in, because like my brain is pretty good at sectoring out the land, so I understand what like general sector I am. But like where am I as far as like the road? Jeez, there it is. I had been going for a while. I did not realize how far south I had gone. Anyways, that's gonna be the end of the video. I really don't feel good all of a sudden. My stomach all of a sudden really started to hurt. So I apologize if this video ended up getting cut short. I think the heat's affecting me a lot more than I think I realize it is. But if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to like and subscribe. It really does mean a lot to me. I know I sound full YouTuber mode in saying that, but you know, numbers going up is the entire reason I do this. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.